up, guys? Slight risk today. 5% tornado risk. Just across the warm front here in Terre Haute, and it is literally a night and day difference. It's already 75 degrees. It was like 67 5 miles ago. So that is a good sign. It is a nice sharp dry line. It should provide a little bit of lift along the front in the next hour or two, I'd guess. Not the best orientation for tornadoes, but the southerly level winds, it's fine, but the storm motion, it might kind of just cause the storms to run into the warm front and go elevated. That's why I'm going to try and get ahead of the warm sector a little bit and maybe catch the nose of the 500 millibar jet streak. But as you can see, there's crispy bases everywhere. Very, very stout towers. So, like I said, within the next hour or two, I think things are going to start going a little more vertical.
I found it. I'm in East Central Illinois again, storm chasing. And you know what that means? It's time, once again, for the cab cam. I'm on Highway 133 right now. I'm heading west. Oh! Gonna go north to a little bit of action going on right now. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I have some nice cumulonimbus calvus clouds, maybe some congestus, bubbling, highly sheer, beautifully lit with the sunshine. Look at that town. Doesn't it make you titillated? Doesn't it make you moist? It does me. I need a new change of underwear. Judging by the angle of the updraft, there's plenty of speed share under this low pressure system. Very close proximity to the low pressure. So you get very cold air aloft that promotes steep lapse rates. So my what's going on? I'm getting some sort of warning on the radio.
Well, guys, after that mania, headed north on 49 towards the Interstate 74, and as you can see, just off to the left of the road, there is a massive overshooting top on that thunderstorm. Huge overshooting top. That means that there's a strong updraft right there. That's good to see. That is totally within reach too, so I think I'm gonna go for it. Let's see what the radar's got to say about it. So guys, we are officially chasing a tornado warned storm right now. It's probably, there's a big wall cloud, I can see it, but I'm still a little too far away. Got a nice couplet on it. We'll see. It's just it's going away from us, so we don't have much forward speed. Very large wall cloud. Very large wall cloud. If you guys can see off to the left too, this is what you call a clear slot, and that is dry, sinking air that wraps around the wall cloud in the updraft. It helps tighten any circulations in the bottom, which I can't tell from this distance if there's a tornado or not, but it's very possible with how freaking low that is. Currently driving through Oakwood, Illinois right now, just west of Danville. Trying to catch the storm to my north because it's still rotating. There's a storm forming this way that's got a pretty decent look to it. And there's a base off to the west, which I don't think I'm really going to worry about too much since it's moving north. So I'm going to try and catch this one to my north and then catch this one back here because that's got unimpeded inflow. terrifying. Time to slow down. Okay guys, now that you can tell how dark the sky is getting, that means the tornado is probably right freaking there. So it is time for us to slow down. Why do my hazards keep turning on? Stop it. That was a close call, guys. Bear's cage is still right here. Holy moly. It looks like it died out though, so I'm gonna analyze radar and see what the heck's going on. It looks like there may be another circulation to my southwest. Okay guys, let's do this all again. There's probably a tornado on the ground just south of Petersburg, southwest of Petersburg. Try to get south. Should be able to get south fast enough. Maybe. Just freaking made it. Jeez. I don't see anything quite yet. Wow. Absolutely insane. So guys, I just drove under the tightest couplet of my life. This thing is dangerous. Could be a tornado anywhere right here. Might be doing it right here. Wow. They may have something trying to form here. Still over 136, rapid rotation. developing weak tornado just ahead of me on 136. Just off there. Very, very weak bird fart maybe. Or a factory. A way to finish a day. Look at this whale's mouth, guys. Wow! Look at the turbulence under this thing. Holy crap balls. absolutely freaking gorgeous. Good night. Wow. Insane shelf cloud. Oh. Frickin' nuts.